Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at Versace model 2196-B in color code 1252/AG. It's a pale gold color frame. On the temples here we have a Versace logo in gold and a Versace emblem, Medusa emblem at the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of the lenses are light gray, dark blue gradient. This frame also comes with a Versace gift box in black and gold logo. It has a black Versace case with a gold Versace logo on top. And inside the gift box, we have a Versace microfiber cleaning cloth with a logo on it and the Medusa emblem. A Luxottica manufacturer booklet. And this is a Versace international warranty card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.